I myself Alakonta Naveen, rule number 49, and my topic is about intermittent discrete observation control for synchronization of stochastic neural networks. Introduction. Recently, neural networks have been widely investigated for their fruitful applications in different fields, such as brain-like evaluation, knowledge acquisition, combinatorial optimization, pattern recognition, etc. Due to extensive applications of neural networks, it is essential to conduct some deep research on neural networks, especially as a typical collective dynamical property of neural networks. Synchronization is a hot topic due to its comprehensive applications in a wide variety of fields, including secure communication, information science, image processing, harmonic oscillation, generation, etc. Model formulation and preliminaries. In this section, we consider the following stochastic neural network that Txi of t is equals to minus xi of t plus summation of aij of xi of t into fi of xj of t plus ii into dt plus gi into gx of t comma t db of t where t greater than or equals to 0 for all I belongs to n, where xi of t belongs to r and aij of xi of xj of t is equals to aij star xj of t, where it less than or equals to tj. For all t greater than or equals to 0, I comma j belongs to n, in which switch jumps tj greater than 0 and aij and aij what star and aij double star are some constants. Moreover, fj is equals to r denotes to r. It denotes the neuron activation function, and gi is equals to r gives to r denotes the noise intensity, and p of t is a 1D Brownian motion defined on the probability space. II is an external constant input. Throughout this paper, we consider system 1 as a drive system, and the corresponding response system with PIDOC is given as follow. Here we see the PIDOC. T into y of t is equals to minus y of t plus summation of aij of yj of t brackets close fj of yj of t brackets close plus ii plus ui of t into dt. For all t greater than or equals to 0 and I belongs to n. Definition 1. Summation of ci into aij fij of xi comma xj is equals to summation of w of q and summation of frs of xr comma xs, where fij of xi comma xj denotes r into r gives r the arbitrary function. Q is the set of all spanning unicyclic graphs of diagraph G comma A that denote the diagraph with weight matrix A. W of Q is the weight of Q and CQ denotes the directed cycle of Q. Particularly if diagraph G comma A is strongly connected, then Ci greater than 0 for any I belongs to n. Definition 2. Drive system 1 and response system 2 are said to be exponentially synchronous if there exists constant q greater than 0 and x greater than 0, such that e modulus e of t whole to the power of 2 less than or equals to x of exponential of minus qt, where t greater than or equals to 0, where q is called the convergence rate of exponential synchronization, and e of t is equals to e1 of t and e2 of t so on en of t to the power of t, where all belongs to r to the power of n. Definition 3. Drive system 1 and response system 2 are said to be synchronized in mean square if error system is stable in mean square. That is, for any e of 0 is equals to e0 belongs to Rn, it is satisfied that limit t to infinity ts less than or equals to infinity. Definition 4. Drive system 1 and response system 2 are said to be asymptotically synchronous in mean square if for any initial value e of 0 is equals to e dot belongs to Rn, then it yields that limit t gives to infinity e of e lam if of t whole to the power of 2 is equals to 0. Main result. Section based on the Lyapunov method and graph theory, some exponential synchronization criteria about stochastic neural networks are provided. At first, we introduce some useful notations used in the main results as follows. D is equals to maximum of di square comma 2 lambda I, where beta is equals to minimum of theta I, and gamma is equals to maximum of k of t is equals to 2 exponential of pi. Here we see pi is equals to maximum of pi I. Pi I is equals to 2 of 3 of 1 plus n maximum, where lambda is a positive number. Here we see the pi representation, alpha representation, and theta representation. And here lambda is a positive number. In this section, our main results, including some theorems and corollaries, are displayed as follows. Theorem 1. Under assumption 1 and 2, there exists a sufficiently small duration theta between two consecutive states observations such that k of t less than 1, then drive system 1 and response system 2 reach exponential synchronization under controller 3 if the following inequalities are satisfied. Alpha greater than 0, beta greater than 0, gamma beta minus t minus gamma alpha greater than 0. Proof. Let function v of e comma t is equals to ni is equals to 1, ci vi of ei comma t, where vi of ei comma t is equals to e to I. Ci denotes the cofactor of the ith diagonal element of the Laplacian matrix of digraph G comma A. Combining assumption 2 with lemma 1, we obtain Ci greater than 0. Moreover, it is easy to obtain that this expression hence E of t 2 is uniformly continuous, then combined with infinity 0 e of t 2 dt less than infinity, we obtain limit tends to infinity e of t 2 is equals to 0. According to definition 4, we know that drive system 1 and response system 2 are asymptotically synchronous in mean square under controller. Then the proof is completed in the following test. We will show an exponential synchronization criterion about stochastic neural networks under controller. Theorem 2. Under assumption 1 and 2, suppose there exists a sufficiently small t such that k of t less than 1, then drive system 1 and response system 2 reach exponentially synchronization under control 90 if the following inequalities are satisfied. Alpha greater than 0, comma beta greater than 0. Proof. Let Lyapunov function v of e of t, comma t is equals to summation of ci vi of ei comma t, where vi ei of t comma t is equals to ei square of t. Since here we see the expression v of e of t comma t greater than or equals to c star e of t whole square, where c star is equals to minimum of ci. By using the formula, we have exponential of gamma t into c star e of t whole square. Here we see the remaining expression where gamma is a positive constant and we let gamma less than minimum mini belongs to n theta I. Hence, we obtain e of t of 2 less than or equals to V of E naught comma 0 by C star exponential minus gamma t. From definition 2, we know drive system 1 and response system 2 reaches exponential synchronization under controller. Then proof is completed. Remarks. In a few decades, many researchers have investigated the dynamical properties of stochastic neural networks. For example, in the globally exponential stability problem, for a class of discrete time, stochastic memristive neural networks was studied. Different from the previous work, this paper uses FCDSO, which is more appropriate in practice, instead of feedback control based on the continuous time state observations. In recent years, many researchers have used all sorts of controllers to investigate the dynamical properties of neural networks. For example, WETAL used the sample data feedback controller to study the global exponential synchronization problem for chaotic neural networks, and by employing periodically alternate output feedback control, the global exponential synchronization problem of two memristive chaotic recurrent neural networks with time varying delays was discussed in 49. When PIDOC is reduced to FCDSO, we found that few researchers utilize FCDSO to investigate the exponential synchronization of stochastic neural networks. Numerical example. In this section, a numerical example is given to show the effectiveness of our theoretical results. Consider the following stochastic neural networks. T into xi of t is equals to minus xi of t plus summation of aij of xi of t bracket close fj into xi of xj of t bracket close plus ii of into dt plus gi of xi of t comma t db of t where t greater than or equals to 0, where I is equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3, and dy of t is equals to minus yi of t plus summation of aij of yi of t bracket close fj of yj of t bracket close plus I plus ui of t into dt plus gi of y of t comma t dp of t where t greater than or equals to 0 and I is equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Conclusion. In this, the exponential synchronization of stochastic neural networks was investigated. A new control strategy was proposed to analyze the exponential synchronization of stochastic neural networks. In addition, our control degenerates to a common FCDSO when the control width tends to the control period, which was also discussed in this paper. Furthermore, some corollaries were obtained about synchronization in mean square, asymptotical synchronization in mean square, and exponential synchronization of stochastic neural networks under FCDSO. That's all about my topic. Thank you.